Alright, 2024 Street Bob stock exhaust. So we're gonna replace them with the Shark Road Slip-Ons on eBay. They're about 250 bucks. Should be pretty simple. Just loosen these clamps down here, and then these ones over here. I just started the bike, so it's a little bit hot just to film that clip. So we'll let it cool down a little. Alright, all installed. Pretty simple. Just gotta take off the stock heat shields, undo the clamps, and these are probably the biggest pain in the ass. You really need an Allen key. You can't really fit a T-handle in here. I kind of marred my frame a little, but it's alright. So here's the first start. Alright, so now we're back from the test ride. Overall, it was a easy install. Biggest pain in the ass is probably these two Allen key or Allen head bolts down there. You really need a 3/16 Allen wrench, and even then it's pretty tight. Can't really get a socket with an extension in there. You could get a T-handle onto that one. You can get a T-handle onto the ones down here. But so yeah, for me, I had to go buy new Allen keys. I couldn't find my old ones. Install is pretty simple. The other concern are the actual stop, or these. It comes with its own clamps, but the clamps down here, you know, the bolts are so long for no reason. I had to kind of, if you can see that down there, I had to put them in ways where they wouldn't hit into anything. And even then, I'm not really happy about it. But again, this is just a temporary solution, so eventually the bike will get a 2-in-1. I just don't want to do it until I do the cam. I'd rather dyno tune it then than use one of those flash tuners. I don't really trust those. But yeah, for $250, stock bike, no need to retune it. Because you're not changing any air coming in, you're not really changing the air coming out. You're just changing the sound. Yeah, you probably lose some low end torque, but you know, this isn't a race bike. I don't really notice anything. And whatever you lose up in torque, you make up in sound. So it's not about going fast, it's about sounding fast. So I like it. Definitely something I notice is that, you know, when you're rolling in neighborhoods, before I used to be able to string out second gear going 25, 30. Now it's like you almost want to put it in third just to quiet it down and not piss off your neighbors, but I'm happy with it. So stay tuned till we see the next mod.